Hello mga angel! On Saturday, I did not buy some shoes, but instead I buy some blouse. Sorry, I'm still just housework, I'm just sure. Anyhow, so this is I have yesterday, just a blouse. It's just like it's a long sleeve. And it's like a jumper, but it's not a jumper. It's just a blouse. Yep. Yes. So that's the company where I bought. See? Nice. And another one. So about two. There is like a, and there is got inside as well. So they got inside there. It's like a jumper, but there is like a blouse inside. So that's what I buy today. And of course, so yeah. So ngayon lalabas ako. Itusuot ko itong isa. Thank you for watching, guys. Salud!